headed out to do a tire change on a Jeep. Something.
Renegade?
Huh?
I think it said Renegade.
Yep. Jeep Renegade. I knew it was a Jeep. I always forget the second half of it. Jeep Renegade tire change. Yep. Just want to do that, and hopefully the rain holds off for just a little bit longer while we swap that out.
Yeah.
And keep us dry, warm. So we will see you here in a few. Check out Frosty. Yes. All right. We'll see you shortly.
How about that?
Alrighty. Sounds good to me.
And I will write the ticket out.
Alrighty. Yep. Alrighty. That looks like it right there. Hello. Oh, this you here? The flat tire? The Jeep? That okay, okay. Yeah, she came out, so. there if you need it in the
Yeah,
bottom
the
there.
bottom thing usually bends the rim or puts marks in it. That's why he puts it back.
Yeah, I usually say.
Well, I guess I need to put this.
Yeah. That's a nice spirit. That's what I was telling her. What are you trying to?
The valves didn't cap.
Oh, yeah, that's important. Alright. Turn off lights so you don't get blinded by the light.
Don't get blinded by the light.
Can you hold that real quick, right? Yep, this one right there if you want to.
Wait on her. Alright. We need to put these on, looks like.
Yeah. Should we do that now?
Yep.
Before you can go tell them bye. We're
Alright,
gonna see
folks.
them after a while anyways.
We got that tire changed and we are off to another one. So we will see you here shortly. Hey everybody, we are heading into Gatlinburg. We got a call earlier for a tire change over here. It's on a blue Equinox. So we will see you shortly.
Guys, we're in Margaritaville in Gatlinburg.
And we're going to do a tire change on a Equinox.
I'll set the camera out and then write the ticket, okay? He hit his hand. Hello.
Man, I must be important.
I'm always along.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, except for the screw I got picked up somewhere.
Yeah, when it rains, there's a lot of screws that happen to be on the road. After big rain, yeah. They put all the
How are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Not enough muscle trying to get those lug nuts off my hand, which is not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went flat tail or low, so put some in it, low, and I never could find the screw. Didn't have any trouble this morning.
No, it's right there in your face today.
Oh yeah, and my face is definitely in.
Oh boy. That's not a good way to start the day off, is it?
I can take the worst ways.
Yeah.
I
Not the diesel, I smell food. Let's, whoa. Hold on there. Let's see. Fluid calls for 60 psi. Let's make sure we have that. And the verdict is negative 20 psi.
Yeah, I seen it all the way from over here.
You guys gonna go fish now?
Oh, no, we just got back.
Yeah, have any luck?
Yeah, of course. Always, man.
Have a
I
good
live
one.
here, bro. I know how to catch them.
I think you would, though.
Fit down to that.
Yeah.
Won't quite fit in that little crescent hole.
Oh no,
I'll take it back out.
that would be logical to have a
Right.
right size tire.
You just get in, or? Do you-
No, we got here Saturday. We got here Sunday,
Yeah.
and Broke the major. Yep.
Yeah.
It was on line. Just work.
Yeah. Could be a lot better.
Oh, absolutely.
What part of Kentucky you from?
Lexington.
Okay, I'm originally from Somerset.
All right.
Yep.
Born and raised over in Mammoth Cave, K6.
Okay, yeah.
tires anyway.
Okay.
A little warm.
Just a little bit. Yeah, it happens.
I got 83 on them. I'm not disappointed.
Oh shoot, no, heck no. That's done real good on
Oh,
them.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too. Alrighty, folks. Got him going. Look at the pigeons over there. Pigeons. All kinds of it. And let's see. So seatbelt over phone or the thing here. Alrighty, folks. Well, there you have it. Another tire change in the books. So everybody stay safe out there. Remember to keep giving them thumbs up, subscribe, and leaving comments, guys. We appreciate it. Thank you all for watching and tagging along with us. And we will catch you on the next one.